Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to create an estimation form. So first we need to go to this button, add new form, and then it will ask you to put a name, estimation form, and then we can add the fields. Our estimation form. Then I'm gonna add two column fields, and then I'm gonna add a text box. Okay, this will be the mail, and I will add a mail validation. Okay, and then I will add a select list field. Yes, this one will be called product one, and I will add the options 1, 2, 3. Put prices. There it is. And in this case, I won't need this price label, so I will hide it. Then I will add a radio button field. It will be service one, and I will add the options 1, 2, 3, and I will put prices. Okay, and I won't need the price label, and I will add a spinner. I don't know, it will be the quantity, and I will need the price label too, so it's fine. And I will add the submit button. Submit, I don't know, form. Yes. And on the right side of the column, I will add a HTML field in order to put the summary of the calculation. In this case, I will need the text label. Yes, here goes the summary. Yes. Oh, for example, product one, okay, product one, service one, quantity total. There it is. Also, we can add some deep here. Style. I can adjust. Also a padding, so it looks better. Okay, now we need to add the calculation. So you need to enable first the math calculation, then add the variables. Example, this one is always the total calculation. This one is, I will call it product 1. This one service 1. This one quantity. Okay, for product 1 var, I will define initialize a variable. This is basically JavaScript. Wait. Product 1 yes, I will choose product 1 here, and product 1 I will get the value, or in this case I will get the price. So this is the price bar total. Also we can mix, we can make any other operation, so it doesn't matter. Then at the end we have to return the total, and that's it. For service it's the same, so we need to get this one, service price, wait, and then total serve. Then you can add any other operation, and at the end you need to return the total. And for quantity, it's just return the quantity. In this case I will just choose value, copy, there it is. Then, and for the main total we need to make operations with these 3 calc variables. So I will just initialize a variable total 0, and then we need to get those calc variables. You have to go here, there, you have to go there. So just choose product 1, you will see, just copy, I don't know, then you have to choose service 1, yes, and it will be multiplied by the quantity. So there it is. Now at the end just return the total, and that's it. Save changes. It's saving changes. Okay, and okay, we need to set up this summary. So now we have all the calculations, so now just we need the shortcuts. So just edit this, we need the shortcuts, and just go to this option here, variables, under front end tab, go below, and you can see the calculation variables. So in this case I will copy the product 1, there it is, then service 1, and the quantity, and finally the main total. There it is. I think our form is finished. So let's save changes first, then we can test on the preview. There it is. So you can see the validation is working fine, and you can see every time that I change, I make a change, you can see this is refreshing, and you can see the quantity is working too. So you can see our estimation form is working fine on front end. Now we need to set up the mail settings. In this case, it comes with default shortcuts. We don't need this, so we will have to make our own layout. In this case, I will put product 1, service 1, and quantity, yeah, total, yes. Then go to options. Remember, for email, you have to go to under backend tab. Then you have to copy all these shortcuts. For example, this one, product 1, below backend. Remember, service 1, quantity, and finally the total. Wait, okay, back in, copy, yes, there it is. And you can use this on submission. So success submission. Also, you can make your custom template with this. Okay. Okay, I'm just for testing purposes, I will put here product 1 and service 1, and we need to put the shortcuts, but you know, all of this is just HTML, so you can customize at your own layout. For the example, I will use the same layout that I'm using on the mail message, so it's the same. Here. This is for the invoice. Also, if you want to make for the records, so you can make the same. So I will put here the same. Okay, and Now we have our record, invoice, success message, and mail message customized. And now we can save changes. And now we can test. Okay, we're gonna put this, just some random. Okay, sending the information. There it is. So you can see, and the success message is working fine because it's showing the information that we wanted, right? And also we receive the mail message, which is this, and you can see it's the same, so with all the values. So you can see it's working fine on the mail message. Also, if we go into the records, show detail, it's loading, and you can see the same, showing the same information, the same customized message. And also, if we go to the invoice, just show the invoice, select the invoice, and the same message as we saw on the mail message, success message, and record. So you can see all the details here, and that means all is working fine. Then we need just to copy the shortcut. So just copy the shortcut. Then we need to create a new page. Yes, my page, and we will put the shortcut in, I don't know, full continued. I think all is fine, so I will just publish the page. And we can see the page here. There it is. The mail validation is working fine. If you make some changes, you can see the summary is refreshed immediately. And you can see it's working fine. You can see this is the success message showing the information, your custom information, and also the mail that we receive has the same information, so it's working fine. And then if we go to the records, so okay, show the records. Yes, this is the record, and you can see it's showing the information fine, properly, so it's okay. if we go to the invoices, you can see the amount is correct. So if we check the detail, you can see the information is showing fine. So also, if you want to export to PDF, so you can see the results here. And there it is. This is the result in PDF. It's showing fine. So it's all okay. So thanks for your attention.